In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and format table in Microsoft Word. We'll start from a blank document and go all the way to formatting, adjusting layout, merging cells, aligning content, deleting what you don't need, changing text direction, and even performing a quick calculation right inside the table. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer and create a new document. To insert a table, go to the Insert tab at the top, click Table, and then hover your mouse over the grid. As you move across and down, you'll see the corresponding table preview appear on your page. Click when the size matches what you need, and the table will be inserted. Once the table appears, look for the Table Design and Layout tabs that show up on the ribbon. Table Design controls how the table looks. Here you can apply a built-in style and adjust things like borders and shading so your table is clearer and easier to read. Switch to the Layout tab to control how the table behaves. This is where you can add more space to your table. Use Insert Above or Insert Below to add rows, and Insert Left or Insert Right to add columns. If you change your mind or added too many, the Delete menu lets you remove selected cells, entire columns, rows, or even the whole table. If you need a heading that spans multiple cells, select the cells you want to combine and choose Merge Cells. After merging, make sure your text looks clean and centered. In the alignment options, choose the middle alignment so your content sits right in the center of the merged cell, both vertically and horizontally. This gives your table a professional, balanced look. You can also change how text is oriented inside a cell. Select the cell, then use text direction to rotate the text. This is useful when you want narrow column headers or a more compact layout. Finally, you can calculate values inside your table. Click in the cell where you want the total, go to the Layout tab, and choose Formula at the top right. For a quick addition, Word can use an addition formula that sums the numbers to the left of the selected cell. Confirm it, and the total will appear right there in your table. If the result isn't what you expect, check that the cells to the left contain plain numbers. That's it. You now know how to create a table, format it, adjust the layout, merge cells, align content, delete what you don't need, change text direction, and use a simple formula in Microsoft Word. If this helped, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tutorials.